Welcome. Today we are going to create an accessible web page by using the built-in HTML editor. So we're going to begin by going to Pages on the left-hand side. I'm going to click plus page in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to give my page a title, and then I'm going to repeat that title, and that's going to become one of its headings. Then underneath that, I'm going to add another title, which is going to be my subtitle, and then I'm going to add a couple paragraphs of text in. Then I'm going to go up to the CSS editor and modify the text that I've added. So the first line is going to be heading 2. The second line is going to be heading 3, and then those two paragraphs are going to need to be in paragraph. And this is going to make sure that any student using assistive technology like a screen reader can access this page. Finally, I'm going to go to the bottom right-hand corner and click Save and Publish. This is going to take us back to our main page, and there you'll see the accessible web page I created using the built-in HTML editor in Canvas.